It's gonna be rough, but next turn, we'll have enough to at least play Smashing Pumpkin. Dude, you... Okay, damaging my hero. Could have used that to kill my sun production, but no, you're just gonna go... So you're going quick game then. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Might have wanted to save that, but then again, no, that probably was the best idea. Because we do have a good thing here with Smashing Pumpkin. What do you have up your sleeve for zombie tricks, though? Is it 2 damage? I'm gonna use it to my hero again. Infinity clones, okay. Ah, the amphibious one hurts. Okay, this is bad. Squash, Sun, Meat Shield. I think that's the best play we could have done, because I don't think Grapes would have been worth it. Getting the Amphibious out as soon as possible is better. Okay. Okay. I'm most likely gonna do Strike Through. Can't do anything. He is gonna get his shield though. That's a bit spooky. Rip Pumpkin. But he doesn't have shield anymore and he kept it. Okay. I can place both Mushroom and Grapes if necessary. I can also place down Squash if I want to, but I'd rather get out Grapes, I think. Yeah, Grapes. Yeah. Yeah, Deadly. Oh, that's actually perfect. Wait. Yeah, you're gonna hide it again? I wonder why. Okay. Oh, and we'll put Pumpkin right in lane 1. Right in lane 1 is where we're gonna put Pumpkin. Yep. Uh-huh. Yeah, sure. Go right ahead. Put an Amphibious there. Oh, you don't have any cards left either. Interesting, interesting. Oh, you're gonna move a zombie. Okay, okay, okay. Interesting. You're still gonna kill Grape? Alright, alright. Interesting, interesting, interesting tactics. Interesting tactics. Uh-huh. Yep. Sick. You know what? Grape power. That was a close game, but you know what? Grape power. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I clicked once and it went hyperspeed. New league. One more. We're going to at least do one more. Because I want to unlock that final starting plant. Considering we are still fairly new into this game. Fresh into this game? A little bit of both. We'll just keep it. We'll just keep going. Oh. It called Great Power? Really? That's kind of sick. Okay. we'll keep it. I kind of want to save. I want to see if we can use magnifying grass. It's a little risky. Conjure any 3 cards. Okay. You know what? Sure. Why not? We'll see how well this goes. To be honest, I don't know. That's not good, and I want to get rid of it. Huh. I'm gonna do that. I want to save Barry in case he has any amphibious zombies. I think that's what I want to do. Makes that mushroom a little more useless, but that's okay. Just do that, move on. Okay.